Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. Today is Thursday, 25 April 2024. My trade directions for today will be long on the Aussie, the CAD and the Euro, short on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the Yen. At the end of this video I'll show you my favorite trade idea. So let's get started. Dollar index finding a little bit of support yesterday, but not much. It's just a little bit of a jump, honoring, I believe, this little support here. So still honoring this sort of flag pattern I've spotted, which is not a flag pattern yet. It's just a consolidation. It's just preempting a little bit. I will not respond on that. I would love to get the retest here at this structure here. Else the breakout up there, once we see a breakout above that falling trend line, definitely continuing. Other than that, we need a retest and then a nice strong candle reversal. That'll confirm us the bullishness on the dollar will continue. However, my intraday indicator, the dollar was up there yesterday in the second and third spot. Early this morning when I woke up, it was number 1 and it's suddenly dropping to number 4. So the intraday indicator starts to fade a lot on the dollar. That could mean that we can get the retest down here, or even as low as the moving averages. So let's see. The further it comes down, the better confirmation I can get at support level, because this test here was not that thorough when we look at the two moving averages here, although there was a slightest of test there. But at this stage, I'm watching this. Putting some pressure on gold still, sideways in general, but gold is in a general short-term trend or bearish trend. With the dollar now weakening, this could push gold up the page now. So this could be a bottom consolidation, but I would not do that much until I get that line to turn blue. But this is a good indication that we might see some bullish run on gold coming up, although the trend is a bit bearish. So I will see what happens before I'll take any trades. I'll wait for that to turn blue, maybe tomorrow. Bitcoin, well, cumbersome. The fact that we saw the bounce here was great. The test that we need to see is there. The market can't even reach that. That worries me about the whole crypto scenario at this stage. So buying at this stage is not a good idea for me personally. I first need them to test this pattern, and if it reverses from there, then I'll definitely step back. If it breaks into that range there and above that, yes, definitely, I will then be full bullish again. Not that I'm bearish, not that I will short this, but this shows us we might see another retracement. Although I won't short, I won't put my money where my mouth is there. I am still very bullish, but this is the area I want to be tested. That's when we will get clearance. We will understand what the market is doing. So maybe it's just a little retracement because of the stochastic, which is above 80. Maybe just a little bit of profit taking still. But this is quite miserable over the last month or so. Trying to find direction. If you look at the bigger picture here now, we're still forming a big flag. If I go there to there, and if I draw this one in from there to there, see there, we still sit with a big flag. Maybe I should get rid of some of these lines that we can just spot it better. But that would be the more better idea for me. So these lines are strong. At the 61% fib, the bottom of a potential flag. So on the longer term, you can see why I'm not that worried. But for the very short term, I'm a little bit worried that we could see a retracement here. The only point is, don't buy in too quickly. That's the bottom line. Nasdaq, yesterday I gave you this level. I showed this. We had dollar strength, and then we got the bearish engulfing after testing. So that was the short day, and the stop loss was about 130, 140 points. So which is very, very nice. Now 140, and we are up now 240. So lightening up here at this level won't be a problem. If you've got more than one position, or you can split your position, it's definitely something, 1 to 1.5 to lighten up. I'm worried a little bit about the weakening dollar, because that's going to be stock market bullish. That might push it upwards. So at this stage, I think take a little bit of profits and get stop loss to entry. Don't lose money on this. That's all. And then the bottom, these areas here, can be a very nice final target on this. But all right, that level is still good, providing dollar stays strong. That level is still good for short. So if it goes up and tick your stop loss out at entry, then we can short again when it gives another reversal there. S&P 500, yesterday that candle pattern was not strong enough. I showed it yesterday morning to you. I said to you I needed a close below the halfway mark. That didn't happen there. Right, yeah, later, but that's not a candle reversal. So for me, it was wrapping around small bodies, not good enough for me to short, but I got the Nasdaq. I got some other trades also on the indices, which is not covered. Yeah, now I'm still good with this as long as the dollar stays strong and the trend stays bearish. If the S&P 500 retest and then a candle reversal, I'll definitely look for some shorts there again. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description below. Then we move on to the New Zealand CAD. New Zealand, it's cutting through a little bit, so I'm leaving it there. You can see New Zealand red, CAD green zone. I'm still keen on the short, although the New Zealand is everywhere suddenly very strong. But it's morning session, we will see what happens. Usually the morning session push and then we see an opposite direction for the rest of the day. We saw some small closes there, we saw 4 bars, almost a whole day resistance there. So if I can get a strong reversal in the next 2.5 hours, then I'll still consider this to be a short setup for me. But if it's going to close like that and higher, then I will step away for the day. And the New Zealand US, very nice setup. I like this. New Zealand, very strong all over the place. That worries me slightly, but it's still in the red zone. And the dollar is weakening, and I don't think the New Zealand is catching the strength. I think it's the dollar losing speed at this stage, if I look at this. But a candle reversal off this 61% FIB level, a nice reversal there, will get me to consider some shorts and also a breakout. So it's breaking out there now, and it looks like it wants to fly. If it then fails from there, a breakout trade, yeah, would be good. A retest and a candle reversal, and then we can consider targets at these lows. But once we're in the trade, I will work on the targets. So for now, I do like this still, unless this cuts through right through up there and it keeps flying. My robot's got to shorten this one. It's not looking good. We are under the water, close to stop loss there. But okay, that's not a big issue. If I get a reversal here, I'll then consider some shorts. And the pound CAD. The pound CAD testing now. Pound neutral zone, but CAD green zone, and I want to be long CAD. By shorting this, give me a long on the CAD. So if I can get a candle reversal here later today, I'll definitely consider some shorts. Aussie New Zealand, Aussie all the sparkle. New Zealand still in the red zone, same as yesterday. Strong level coming in here. Fibonacci retracement 61%. I want to be long here, but not from those levels. I want to see a long from here. If it doesn't come back, I'll step aside and find something else. And the New Zealand yen also running very nicely. Yen weakening a lot. The retracement back to the structure here, right at 61% FIB. You see the New Zealand red, but yen very weak. Okay, so at this stage, I highly doubt this will happen today. Might be tomorrow morning, but I will then see if it retraces. I'll be looking for some longs at this area here. And the Aussie yen, same scenario. We'll obviously do the same as the New Zealand yen. We've got structure here, the support level here. I don't know if I can move this to that. I can start to move this. Since I've planned this, I already start to see that's getting in on the 50% level. So I'm going to move this up there. So right, that structure now coming in. So if I can get a retest and a candle reversal here with the Aussie, all the sparkle, the yen, the black sheep, I'll then take some longs or consider some longs here. And my favorite trade idea for today, still a long on the US yen. My trading robot got a very nice long here, and hit target last night. So beautiful, beautiful. But all right, on a retracement back to this level here, you can see between the 50 and 61%, we've got this falling trend line. We've got the 50 and the 61%. We've got structure here on that test. So this is the area I would definitely wait for some longs, unless that dollar weakens heavily. If that dollar drops one more, I will step aside from this because I need a strong dollar. Also, this could only happen maybe tonight, tomorrow. I don't think we're going to see that size of a drop, but I love to keep these things on my watch list. Otherwise, I miss out on some of them. Guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. If you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.